what's up YouTube? This is Johnny with Johnny 6 String. This channel is going to be all about teaching you a guitar lick. You learn it, you come back next week, you learn another one. They're going to be short and simple videos, to the point, not a bunch of filler. My goal is to share what I know. Hope you can add it to your repertoire, and hopefully it makes you a better guitar player. Please subscribe to my video or to the channels and like my videos. My goal is to get subscribers, and when my son's ready to play guitar, I'll have all these lessons online for him to look at. Alright man, let's get into this one. It's a single string exercise that'll help with your speed. You start out nice and slow. 1, 2, 4, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So it's so each time you go up, you go back down to where you started. And you want to do it nice and clean. That was a little bit messy, but you need to go move it around. You know, you got to practice between your pinky and your third finger. That's a really good exercise. You can do it down here. The idea is, you know, to get it clean. If you want to play fast, you want it to sound like you're not slopping around. So really put it at the metronome at a comfortable speed. Once you nail it, move it up 5 clicks until you you just can't keep up. So yeah, that's the end of this one. I'm going to have a ton more videos in the future. Make sure you subscribe so you get notifications, and tell your friends. I'm going to keep giving these tips and tricks out for free. So hope you enjoy it. Hope you get something out of it. This is Johnny with Johnny 6 String.